The Lexus LBX is the latest addition to the Lexus lineup, embodying the brand's driving signature in a compact form. The development focus was on delivering nimble driving and honing fundamental characteristics without the reliance on electronic controls. This compact car offers the drivers a natural dialogue between the vehicle and the driver, ensuring confidence, control, and comfort at all times. An emphasis was placed on body strengthening and weight reduction in the construction of the LBX. The car features a body fortified with structural adhesives and short-pitch welding, with strategic placement of bracing and reinforcements. The vehicle's weight is kept minimal with the use of lightweight materials, including aluminium bonnet and molded resin wheel arches, rockers, and lower door sections. The LBX is powered by a new generation, self-charging Lexus hybrid electric system, featuring a compact and lightweight three-cylinder engine. The hybrid system components, including the transaxle and power control unit, have undergone a substantial redesign to improve efficiency, reduce losses, save weight, and minimize size. The engine is a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with an electronic continuously variable transmission, boasting a total system output of 136 horsepower. The vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 9 seconds, promising both impressive performance and maneuverability. With the new Lexus LBX, luxury, sustainability, and advanced technology come together in a compact yet versatile package. A major highlight of the LBX is the new low-resistance, high-output, bipolar nickel-metal hydride battery. This innovative battery allows for extra electric motor support when accelerating and extends the car's all-electric EV driving capability. The LBX offers instant, powerful acceleration akin to a battery electric vehicle, as well as improved fuel efficiency. The LBX interior is designed with simplicity, elegance, and high quality in mind. The interior design makes use of good visibility, an open view out, a smooth instrument panel, and a commanding presence of the center console. In terms of upholstery, Lexus offers a choice of semi-aniline leather and a vegan-friendly interior that uses synthetic leather and materials. A unique element of the LBX is the Tazuna concept, first introduced in the NX mid-size SUV. This approach puts principal controls and information sources immediately around the driver, reducing distractions and helping maintain focus on driving. The driver's cockpit features a new 12.3-inch fully digital instrument display, enhancing the Tazuna concept. The LBX model range is built to better match customers' preferences and lifestyles. The lineup offers a choice of 4 model atmospheres in addition to the base grade: Elegant and Relax, which focus on a refined feel, and Emotion and Cool, which offer a sportier, more dynamic character. The LBX is equipped with the latest Lexus Link Connect system, operated via a 9.8-inch touchscreen. This system provides cloud-based navigation, optimizing journey planning with real-time information on traffic events and delays. It also includes smartphone integration with both wired and wireless connections for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mark Levinson, Lexus's exclusive audio partner, has designed an optional premium system for the LBX. It features 13 optimally positioned speakers, including a subwoofer integrated in the back door, ensuring high-quality sound without any loss of space in the load compartment. The LBX offers a Lexus bespoke build service for owners who wish to give their LBX a more personalized look. The service allows customers to customize various aspects of their vehicle, such as the color of seatbelts, upholstery embroidery patterns, stitching color, and trim ornamentation. The LBX benefits from the comprehensive safety and driver assistance provisions of the latest generation of Lexus safety system. This system is designed to detect accident risks, alert the driver, and automatically provide steering, braking, and drive force control if required to help avoid or lessen the consequences of a collision. An extended safety package is also optionally available. It includes features such as a front cross traffic alert system and a panoramic view monitor. For easier parking, a remote parking option allows the driver to maneuver the car into a tight space using their smartphone. The LBX also introduces Lexus's e-latch electric door release system with safe exit assist and features like a driver monitor, intelligent parking sensors with auto braking, rear cross traffic alert, and a blind spot monitor. Beyond the impressive technical specifications, one of the key features of the new Lexus LBX is its personalized look and feel. This is made possible through the Lexus Bespoke Build service, which offers customers a range of luxury materials to choose from and the ability to customize elements such as the color of the seatbelts, upholstery embroidery patterns, stitching color, and trim ornamentation. This bespoke treatment enhances the ownership experience and helps every Lexus LBX feel uniquely crafted to its driver's personal preferences. Lexus also introduces the concept of atmospheres to better match customers' lifestyle preferences. Customers can choose from 4 atmospheres in addition to the base model: elegant and relax, offering a refined, luxurious experience, and emotion and cool, which present a more sporty, dynamic character. Each atmosphere is designed with different customer profiles in mind, ensuring that there's a Lexus LBX perfectly suited to every kind of driver. The Lexus LBX is set to hit markets in 2024. As Lexus continues to push the boundaries of luxury, sustainability, and technology, the LBX promises to offer a driving experience that's unlike any other. With its advanced features, personalized options, and eco-conscious design, it's clear that the future of driving has arrived with the Lexus LBX. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.